Want to replace a Kohler 20 horsepower SV600s with a Briggs?
ieHello, my name is Jack, Mr. PUTTPUTT. I will do my best to assist you today. I am sorry to hear you are having problems with your Kohler. I run at MTD Troy-Bilt Warranty and Repair Center and I am a certified expert tech for Kohler. Let me see what I can find for you for a replacement engine in Briggs.
Okay. Don't add anything else to my PayPal.
I don't add anything at all. I do not do any of the billing.
Okay, cool.
What kind of machine is this on?
huskrvina. Courage 20.
Okay, can you tell me the model of Husky? Need model of tractor.
Have to go outside.
Okay, I will be here.
42-inch riding tractor.
Sorry, I need the model number to get the correct replacement. Should be like ieTH. Or could be a Louth 20F42T.
Louth 20F42T. Loy.
Got it.
Think that's right. Damn. Think that's right.
Briggs number is #number 01. Additional parts: choke control, electrical connections, exhaust throttle control. The additional parts that you will have to modify:
Elect start.
Steps to replace: Step 1, disconnect battery, fuel line, throttle, choke cable, PTO clutch and drive pulley, exhaust, starter cable and wiring harness from engine. Remove engine mounting bolts and pull engine from chassis. Full-size image enlarge. Step 2, place new engine on chassis. Exhaust manifold has to modified. Cut and dry fit manifold for correct angles. Tack in place and finish weld the manifold. Bolt engine to chassis. Full-size image enlarge. Step 3, key switch and electrical harness need to modification from the OEM. Connect as plug and play. Full-size image enlarge. Step 4, reconnect, connect battery, fuel line, throttle, choke cable, PTO clutch and drive pulley and starter cable to engine. Full-size image. This is electric start.
Okay, I'll look for one. If it costs too much, you'll get a new one. Thanks.
Kohler has had many problems with that engine of yours. It has already been retired.
I know, retired now. Saw it.
The main issue was the gov.
Guess that will do it.
It wears a oil leak in the block. Thanks again.
Good to KNW. My luck to get a junk.
If you need anything further, just come to this chat and you can get me if needed. Please rate me on my efforts for you. Replacement is very simple. What I do is sometimes look for a used Briggs on a machine with a bad trans or something, then I have all the parts I need.
Will do, thanks.
Anytime.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.